Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download and update our Realtek drivers on our Windows computer. So if you guys are wondering how so, you may follow up this tutorial and make sure to watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. So the first thing what you can do is just go ahead and look out for your driver date. For that, hit the device manager and open it up on your screen. Once you open up Device Manager, you can go to Sound, Video, and Game Controller section and expand it up. And there you'll be finding your Realtek audio. Right now we have this one right here. You can right click on it and go to the Properties option from here and open up Properties. Once you're in Properties, go to Driver, and there you'll be finding your driver date when it was currently installed and the driver version. Now in order to download the latest version, what you can do is close this up and go to one of the websites. And from the website, you can just go ahead and search for Realtek and go to their official website, which is this one right here, for https://www.realtek.com. Once you go ahead and access it up, you need to open this up right like this, and their website opens up clearly. Now what you need to do is look out for the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen and open up the menu on your screen. Now from here, what you may do is go over to the section called Downloads and open it up on your screen. And you can look out for this option. And from here, select the option for Computer Peripheral ICS and open it up on your particular screen. So once you open it up, what you can do is you can select your product line here. First of all, choose up a category. Select the option for PC Audio Codecs and open it up on your screen like this. And once you open up PC Audio Codecs, select the product line and choose subcategory again. And this time select the option for High Definition Audio Codecs. After you open it up, what you may do is scroll down and look out for the latest one. We have this ALC888 SPD. The top one is the latest one. So just go ahead and open up by clicking on the software. And once you open it up, there you'll be finding different options. What you need to do is look out for the 64 bits Vista, which should be applicable for Windows 11 as well. So you can look out for your Windows version and go ahead and look out for the one. And we have the update time here available. So what you can do is basically look out for this download option and click on it. And you need to agree to the terms of download. Click on Accept to Above and click on Download this file. And once you do so, you need to enter the captcha to confirm. Just go ahead and enter up the captcha. It is GC58. And click on Submit. After you do so, it will start downloading. Now you just need to wait for this download to be completed completely. And once it is done, what you can do is close this up. Head over to Device Manager again. And once you open it up, go to Sound, Video, and Game Controller, expand it up, go to Realtek Audio, back click on it, go to Update Driver, and go ahead and look out for this option, Browse My Computers for Driver, and select Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers. And once you do so, you can select the driver that you currently installed, click on Next, and confirm the installation, and that will install the driver for your computer. And you need to restart your computer in order to make the changes. And that's it. So you may follow up this method if you'd like to go ahead and update your Realtek driver. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.